Hello friends, welcome back, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix headphones if it is not working on your PC or laptop, or now no sounds coming on your headphones when you plug in PC. So how can we fix that? So when you plug in your headphones and it's not working, no sounds coming on your headphones, it might be your audio jack problem or your headphones problem. So we are going to tell you how can we fix this problem on your PC, because it could be your PC problem as well. So how can we fix that? So first of all, you have to make sure that your headphones are in working conditions, so you can check it on another device, or you can use it on your mobile to check whether your headphones are um, working well or not. So once you make sure that your headphones are working well, then let's come to the PC, guys. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to go to your this sound icon. Let me zoom it. So you need to go to this sound icon and right click on it and go to sounds. When we go to sounds, and we need to click on playback. Now guys, you have to plug in your headphone here. So you have to plug in your headphone in audio jack. So let's plug in here, and as you can see, the headphones are now listed in my playback list. So any sound I will play, it will play in headphone. So let me play any sound here. Let me play any sound here. Let's play any song. Fine, it won't record in this but it will. So let me go back now. Let me check if the sound's coming or not. So volume is not much higher. So you have to go to the this headphones option and go to labels, and you have to make sure that your volume button is up to 100%. Now go to enhancement. You can check it out, the combination that works for your headphone. So you can check this one and this one, or you can check all of them items in the list and apply them and see if the sound is coming or not. Or you can go to this special sound format and keep it off only. Fine. And if anything doesn't work for you, you can restore your default setting and see if it is working or not. So yeah, so once we're done with this, just save this settings. And now guys, let me minimize this. Now you have to go to your device manager. It might be problem with your sound driver. So let's go to the device manager and click open it. So once you reach the device manager, guys, you have to expand this sound, video and game controllers. Now you have to right click on this and uninstall this driver. So you don't have to worry about that, because when you restart your PC, it will automatically restart the default and older version of the sound driver. So if any problem exists with your driver, it will resolve automatically after restart. Or you can go and you can expand the audio inputs as well and go to the headphone. You can go to this headphone, and you can also uninstall this one also, or you can click on scan for hardware. So it will actually reset your headphone setting and if any problem exists with that, then it will automatically solve that problem as well. So these are the options you can apply, and one more thing you can do that. So friends, first of all you have to go to this website here, Microsoft Store, where you have to install this software. So this is for the Dell laptops, so where you can manage your audio and sound devices. So you can download or install this application or software on your system. So click on this and open in Microsoft Store. So it is a very good software that you can use, and it is especially made for the Dell laptop. So you need to click on install here, and it will start installing. So since many laptop have only one port that is used for both microphone and output as well, so if you want to use both things, if you want to use both headphone and microphone in the same the jack, then guys you have to use this software, because many devices doesn't pop up any window. So what is saying, my audio driver is not up to date, so please check your updates. So first of all, as you can see guys, it is now open. So now you can check the sound, if it is sounds coming or not. This is a wave, you can check. So let's play some music over here, and guys, as you can see that now you can see the wave, or you can see the movement in speak volume section. So as you can see, so actually when you plug in your let me go to first. So now first of all guys, once you install this, let's pause the let me right click on that task manager and click open the task manager first, and you have to go to startup. Is it so right now it is not listed here in the startup section, so leave it for that. And as you can see, after opening this, you can test your sound here. You click on this sound test and see if the sounds coming on your headphone or not. And as you can see, the waves when I play the song after installing this software, it's now working. So let me go back to the headphone here, yeah, and let me play again the song. Let me play another song. And as you can see the variation here. Fine, so let me play the song first. And as you can see the variation. So yeah, now the sounds are coming perfectly in my headphones. So it works for you as well. First of all, you have to make sure that your drivers are up to date. So let me pause the song. So you have to make sure that your drivers are up to date, and if it's the problem with your driver, you can uninstall the driver and restart your PC. It will automatically it will automatically reinstall your driver. You don't have to worry, since when you restart your PC system, it will automatically install your sound card driver on your system. So it will install the older version. It will install the older version uh, drivers with sound driver on your system, so that is compatible with the all these devices and headphones. So since guys many issue have been rises when we updated Windows 10, and when we started using Windows 10, such problems are existing. So it is actually problem with the Windows 10. So if you are using Windows 10, then you can have such problem. So guys, this is the only solution you can do. I hope you understood, and you can try this application and see if it helps you or not, and you can change the setting for according to your headphones and see if it works for you. So I hope you like the videos. In the next video, till then, bye bye.